Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to dimension one of your puzzle cube pieces here. So hopefully after learning how to do one, you can do the other four on your own. So come on up to design. Once you have your part open, I should say first, come on up to design and then come on down to drawing, and we're going to do a drawing from design. And we're going to select sheet size A, not 8.5 by 11, but 11 inches by 8.5 inches. Go ahead and hit OK. All the other values are fine. And it's going to bring in my front view, and I want to put my front view here down in the bottom left corner. Okay, but I want to make it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to put like maybe like 1.5 to 2. Make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to make it shaded. Give it some color if you want. You don't have to. And I'm going to hit OK. Now let's go back up to base view, and I'm going to bring in my top view. I'm going to come over here to front, and let's just select our top view. And I'm going to make the same scale, 1.5 to 2. And let's make it shaded too, I forgot. And then hit OK. Repeat this process again. And we're going to do our side view now. Right side view. Make it 1.5 to 2. And shaded, and we're going to set it right here. Hit OK. And then we're going to come on up, and we are going to finally we're going to do a 3D view. So we're going to come on down here. Let's see, southwest isometric. Now, like that one, maybe northeast isometric. That one looks pretty good. And I'm going to once again change the scale, so it's 1.5 to 2, a little bit bigger, and give it some shade, and click right there and hit OK. All right, so now this looks great and all, okay? And remember, your front view goes down here. Your front view is the view that should have the most features on it, okay? And therefore, if it has the most features, guess what? It's probably going to have most of your dimensions on it too. And up here we have our top view, and over here we have our side view, and then we have our 3D view. And we never place dimensions on our 3D view. All right, so I'm going to go ahead now, and I'm going to start dimensioning this thing. So let's say your company wants to make this part. It needs to know how big to make the part. It needs to know the size and scale of every feature on your part. So come to dimension. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click on this corner, and I'm going to come on up, select 0.75. I'm going to click here, I'm going to click here, I'm going to come on up and do that. Okay. And then I'm going to click here. All right. And then I'm going to keep going across here. Okay. And remember, we did a whole assignment on dimensioning rules and guidelines, all right? So remember, the smaller dimensions go inside of the bigger overall dimensions, okay? And there's all these other rules. You don't place your dimensions on the part, so there's all these rules we need to follow, right? And so make sure you're doing them. So we have all the dimensions we have necessary to make this part, except for one. We need to show our depth, right? And we can show that right here or right here. It doesn't matter, so let's come on up to dimension. Click there, and there we go. Okay, I'm going to hit escape to take me out of dimension mode here. And now we're good. We have all the information necessary to make this part. Okay, all right, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.